I wasted years thinking Social Security would be enough. For years, many people believed Social Security would be enough to provide a comfortable retirement. Today, rising costs, inflation, insurance premiums, healthcare expenses, and everyday living costs have caused many retirees and pre-retirees to think about that assumption. In this video, I share a heartfelt conversation about one of the biggest retirement realities facing millions of Americans and why it's never too late to explore new possibilities. If you've ever wondered, is Social Security enough? How much income do I really need? What happens if retirement costs more than expected? This video is for you. Hi everyone, I'm Holly. I want to share something that many people are thinking, but very few people are saying out loud. For years, I believed Social Security would be enough. Maybe not luxurious, maybe not extravagant, but enough to survive, enough to cover the basics, enough to live comfortably, and enough to enjoy retirement. And for a long time, that seemed reasonable. After all, most of us spent decades working, paying taxes, contributing to the system, doing what we were told to do. Then something happened. The world changed. Groceries cost more, insurance costs more, housing costs more, healthcare costs more. Even simple everyday expenses seem to increase every single year. And suddenly, many people are looking at their monthly income and asking, how is this supposed to work? Now, let me be very clear. This isn't a criticism of Social Security. For many people, it provides an important foundation. But a foundation and a complete financial plan are not always the same thing. And that's where many people find themselves struggling, not because they were careless at all, and not because they didn't work hard, not even because they failed, because life became more expensive than anyone ever expected. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is that hope is not financial strategy. It's not. Hoping costs go down, hoping things get easier, hoping someone fixes the problem. Hope is important, but actions matter too. Sometimes we have to ask ourselves, what else is possible? What skills could I learn? What opportunities exist today that didn't exist years ago? How can I create more options for myself? Because the people who adapt often find opportunities that others never see. And that's especially true today. The internet has changed how people are learning, how people work, how people connect, how people are earning. Many people are creating new opportunities later on in life, not because they planned to, but because they decided to. And that's the message I want to leave with you here today. Your future is not limited by your age. Heck, I'm in my 70s. Your future is not determined by one income source. I have multiple sources now. Your future is not finished. As long as you're willing to learn, grow, and explore new possibilities, there are still opportunities ahead for everyone. If this message resonated with you, leave a comment below and tell me what your thoughts are. And if you're looking for ideas and resources to explore new possibilities, I've included something below. It's actually in the description that may help you. I'll see you in the next video. Watch next. I'm 70 and couldn't afford to retire. If you've quietly realized that one income source may not be enough for the years ahead, I created a free guide for people who want to explore additional possibilities without feeling overwhelmed. The links will be in my description.